Hello there, my friends. Welcome to our newest video training series, where we are going to teach you all about using the largest online advertising platform to make big-time money on your blog or business website. Yes, we are talking about none other than Google Adsense, currently the top-performing platform for those that want to monetize their sites the right way. In this video series, we're going to walk you through all the way from the basics to the advanced strategies that will allow you to make the most out of it. And we're going to open it up with Section 1, the Google AdSense Basics section, where we are going to give you some background before getting started. Contents in this section include: what is online advertising all about? What is Google AdSense? How can Google AdSense help your business? Shocking Google AdSense facts to consider. So, without further ado, let's start by dissecting the very first thing that you'll need to know to properly understand how the AdSense platform works. What is online advertising all about? We've got a quick question for you. When you visit a website, what is the first thing that you are able to visually identify apart from the actual content? We are pretty sure that your answer will be the ads. And that is because online advertising is everywhere. We have grown so used to it that we just take it for granted. But what is online advertising really all about? Online advertising is, in simple terms, using the internet to deliver a marketing message through paid solutions. And because of its online nature, it can basically take form on any possible placement that you can imagine. And what that means is that online ads can appear on every online place or channel made available to advertisers, as they are the digital equivalent of billboards. In fact, once you start digging in, you'll be able to find all types of parallels to real-world advertisements. The most common form of online ads can be found on blogs and websites, and they can be compared to newspaper and magazine ads. You will also find ads on YouTube videos, which are the internet version of TV ads, as well as other types of online ads that go a step further, such as mobile ads and in-app ads. Online ads have such a wide reach that they are also natively integrated on social media platforms such as Facebook, where you are allowed to promote your own content affordably and without much hassle. And the best part? Online advertising is not limited to big agencies with inflated advertising budgets. You don't have to produce expensive materials or to go through a lot of paperwork. You'll simply have to have an engaging message, a target audience, and a killer product or service to promote. And that is why online advertising has vastly surpassed offline advertising, because there are more people paying for online ads than anywhere else. And that is also why online advertising has become the fuel that fires content creation on the internet. Because if you are a content creator with a blog or a website getting good traffic, or have a YouTube channel with videos that are getting thousands of views on a monthly basis, you are pretty much guaranteed a stable income generated from ad revenue. But here's the catch. Online ads don't appear magically on websites or videos, and they don't generate money for website owners by simply sitting there. Do you want to learn what's the best way to generate money on your online property? Tune in to the following video to find out.